Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The Dark Knight Studios coming at you with another one. This is going to be a fun video. My little cousins are here. Can't put them on video, you know, for certain reasons because of their age. But I have 5 plastic spoons that they are going to put whatever gross stuff they want on there. And in this video, I'm going to blindly, with my eyes closed, taste it and try to guess what it is. So, hope you guys have fun and go ahead. So I'm closing my eyes now.
Oh gosh.
Just don't put a lot on the spoon. And then when you're done, just keep it out and see if I can guess it right. Oh, I don't like the sound of this, guys. They're making bleh sounds. It sounds like it's gonna be something I'm gonna really hate. So I hope you guys enjoy this, because it's not gonna be fun for me. I'm just waiting till they're done.
I have 2 ingredients. Ooh, I don't even like these. Oh, I'm using it.
Then you guys do know somehow, without being in the video, you'll have to set the plate here in front of me because I can't see.
I know. With a spoon. Oh yeah. Do we put all of it on there? Like all of the ingredients on there?
No, just
No, I mean like do we?
each spoon just put a little bit of what the ingredient is, and then I gotta taste it and try to see if I can figure out.
Up and then give you the plate? Oh, only put a little bit. No,
Just put like a couple dabs on each spoon. It's like a couple squirts or something.
No, in the same next spoon, do we fill all of them up with different ingredients and then give you the whole entire
Each spoon needs to have one different thing in it.
I'm just gonna let you know.
Unless you want to do a spoon that has
I'm
like.
just gonna let you know one thing because something happened to it. I forgot to shake the mustard up and it kind of squirted out a little bit, so now I gotta shake it up. Me too.
Oh boy.
There's one ingredient, you know.
Oh, just so you guys know, this was a bad idea.
Oh, I stink.
See, you can hear them in the background. Oh,
Okay,
this
I
isn't gonna be
want
fun.
something else, but I don't care about that. I just want What do you use? Oh God.
Oh man. Oh, they're making me nervous.
You should be.
Poop.
Okay, that's
Wait, did I just literally say poop on here? That's not cool. That's not cool.
I know you heard that.
Oh boy. If I guess it right, can you tell me I'm right?
Yeah.
How many guesses do I get?
How much do you think? And you both. How much do you want? And me and you both get to the last one that we're doing. I'll give you 7 because this is kind of. No, let me think.
How about I get 3 guesses?
3. You probably can smell this.
I can not really. I don't have a good sense of smell.
Oh God. I think this is hot sauce. Just telling you. No, it's not. I want the last thing.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You know, this is the most nervous I've been about a video that I've posted with stunts like this.
We're almost done. We have 1 spoon left.
And you guys do remember.
I remember us doing this in 1 challenge. Oh yes.
Fudge nuggets. Yes, I said fudge nuggets, okay? I'm not looking forward to this. Oh, no.
Okay, last spoon. Brandon, you are going to be very happy. Where was this at?
Oh, boy.
Who's going to be happy?
You can, when the video's done, you can just leave the stuff out and I'll put it up where it goes. I know where it goes. You might want to keep it out so you can know if I guess right.
Yeah, keep it out.
And I'm not looking. My eyes are closed. You can see that they're closed.
Oh, God, it got on my hand.
Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Oh, it's so Okay, we got all the spoons, Brandon.
Oh, God.
Wait.
Oh, God.
Addie.
I haven't even tried any of this stuff.
There you go.
Oh, God.
The plate's right there.
Okay. Can you guys put the spoon in my hand? Because I can't see.
Okay. Oh, here.
I can't see. Where is it?
There you go.
Oh, jeez.
Not
Oh,
all of
jeez.
it's liquid. Guess what it is?
I know. I don't know what that is. That's relish.
Okay, you got that. Okay.
Chunky.
But it's sweet relish. Sweet.
Gotta say, that's pretty good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I know you hate this.
Oh, jeez.
No, it's my turn.
Where you at?
too. I did too. Oh, it's liquid. So be very careful. It's liquidy. You hate Okay. Give him a second. Here you go. Here. There you go. Watch out. It's liquid. It's liquid. Hold on. Hey, hold on. What do you think your second spoon was? What do you think your second spoon
Second one, Worcestershire sauce. Third one, soy sauce.
What?
Second one, Worcestershire sauce. That was the last one I just ate, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And then what was the second again?
Worcestershire sauce.
No, it was mustard.
What?
Yeah, that was
The
mustard.
second one was mustard?
Yes.
Are you sure, like yellow mush?
Yes.
Dang.
Yellow mustard. Okay.
See, I told you guys this is not fun for me because it was disgusting.
Yeah, this is watery. Here you go. Here, take that. Here, right. Right here. Oh God, I spilled it. We'll clean it up. It's not a lot. Taste. How is it?
Ooh, that's kind of spicy.
You ready for your last?
If I had to guess, that tastes like either salsa or like taco sauce or hot sauce. Am I right? Was that one taco sauce, hot sauce?
I think Addie put it up. No, oh! No! It was, yeah, hold on. I know what it was.
Ooh, that's kind of spicy.
It was Worcestershire sauce.
Oh, that was the one that I thought the second one was. That was Worcestershire sauce?
Yeah. Yeah. Here, let me see your spoon.
Those could be thrown away.
Last spoon.
Oh my gosh.
Right here. It's right here. Here. There you go.
Wait.
Okay, this is mine, Daddy.
Oh God.
Oh no. Is that good? What do you think it is?
I actually cannot quite figure that one out. Give me a clue.
It starts with a T. And it's like
Hang on.
Here, I'll give you another clue.
Is it taco sauce?
No, it has like white.
It's T-A.
Yeah, and it's the first letters of it are T and A, and then it's like white with like little specks inside it. He's so cool. Look at this. It's a like sort of long bottle. Here, smell it.
Smell
I
it.
can't smell nothing. I don't know. What is it?
Harder.
How the flip did I not know that was tartar sauce?
Okay, you can open your eyes now. Okay, here, give me a spoon, and this is all the ingredients that we use.
I feel like my eyes have been closed for a long time.
We use these.
And then one of them.
Well, tartar sauce, soy
ingredients are put up.
sauce, mustard.
One of the ingredients
And
are
relish.
already put up.
Hmm.
One of them are put up.
Huh. Well,
How was it?
that was
Good.
I'll be back.
No.
No, I'm gonna do something that's not gonna be fun for me.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Now they're gonna enjoy this. They are going to enjoy this so very much. Oh goodness.
Oh no! What is it?
Okay.
You're gonna mix all of them.
What was the last ingredient?
I got
Okay, check this out, guys. This is gonna be.
Here, shake it up.
Here you go.
This is the grand finale. I'm gonna put all these together and just see how good
It
and
goes.
awful this tastes. Okay, see?
Here you go.
Look, there's the mustard, the soy sauce.
It comes out fast.
Hang on. Here, I'm good. We need a spoon to get that other stuff out. That.
What? Oh, the relish, yeah.
Yeah. Go get a spoon, Isaac.
Let's see, where's
Go wash that one off that's in my cup.
your sauce?
Just go wash the in the sink.
Okay.
She'd go and get a spoon for the tartar sauce. Okay, now it's this. I mean this relish, not tartar sauce.
Oh!
Here, he's gonna put the amount.
That's good enough. That's.
That may be a little bit too much. You spill a lot. Let him add it.
It kind of
Hey,
smells like
hey,
pickles.
hey, get over there. Nothing.
I told you to let him.
Okay, let's see here.
Okay, how do you use this?
Got to spill some, so.
How do you use this?
Yeah, because you spill half the soy sauce.
Okay, let's see.
Addie.
Okie dokie.
Uh,
Yeah,
fun.
look.
His face. How is it?
Is it good?
Oh!
It fell out of his mouth.
Cut good.
I don't know.
Cut good.
Oh, I just fixed you with a gag.
I dare some of you guys to do this. Put a little Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, French's yellow mustard, tartar sauce, and a little sweet relish on a spoon. Because
Okay, to make it fair, I'll try.
it was,
I like relish.
it was disgusting. Don't ever do it. It is
That's
so
what you
gross.
told him to.
I lied. Okay, I dare you to do it. Send me the video. Whoever does it, whatever. But it was gross. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'd like to thank my special guests, my little cousins, Addie and Isaac here for... It was my idea, but they definitely gave me stuff that I really don't like that well. Other than I do like tartar sauce and relish.
That's gross.
Tartar sauce is good on fried
No,
fish.
it's not. I hate tartar sauce and relish.
But thank you guys so much for watching.
mustard.
Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think, and I will catch you guys later.